Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Titan tvman from Skibidi Toilet. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the head with a large rectangle shape at the top. Now inside, let's add another rectangle in the same way. And that's it for the shape of the head. Next, let's move in and draw the face. Let's start with two small black circles for the eyes. And then underneath, two bumps for the mouth. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start with angles down on both sides for the shoulders. Then angle it down again for the arms. Now let's hop back inside, and in the middle here, let's draw a large circle. And then 3 more circles inside this one, getting smaller as we go. Now in the outer ring, let's draw some diagonal lines all the way around. And the same thing in the inner ring here. Next, on the top left, let's draw an angled rectangle out. Then let's do the same thing on the right. And then one underneath. And now inside at the end of each of these, let's draw another small square. Next, let's hop up and draw the collar of the jacket. From under the head, let's draw 2 angles down. Then let's hop out and let's draw a small angle and then another one back in. And the same on the right. Now let's hop in that center section and let's draw 2 angles down for the collar of the shirt. And now underneath, let's add the tie. Let's start with 2 small angles with a line across the bottom. And then another set of angles down underneath. Now let's hop to the bottom and let's continue drawing the bottom of the tie with angles down and then close it off with a V. Now let's finish drawing the rest of the jacket. On the sides, let's draw 2 small angles for the armpits. Then let's bring it down on both sides. Then let's hop in and let's draw another 2 lines down. And then let's angle both of these lines down and out. And let's make the outside line a little bit longer. And then let's connect them with a curve. Now let's move in and add some details to the jacket. Let's draw 3 circles down on the left. And the same thing on the right. And then on the sides, let's add a rectangle shape for the pockets. Now let's hop to the outside and finish drawing the arms. From under the armpits, let's draw a set of angles down and out. Now let's bring both of the arm lines down. And close off the bottom with a curve across. Now inside the bottom of the sleeve, let's draw 3 small circles for the buttons. Now underneath each sleeve, let's draw 2 small lines down, and then a curve across the bottom. Next, underneath, let's add the hands. Starting from underneath the inside, let's draw a curve down and up for the thumbs. Then let's curve it back out, around, and up to close off each hand. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's add the details on the shoulders. On top of each shoulder, let's draw a point up and back down. Then for the next spike, let's draw 2 angles up. And let's make this one a little bit longer and connect it with an angle at the end. And let's do the same on the right side. Now for the third one, let's draw 2 smaller angles up and out. Then another set of angles going inwards. And then one more angle to close off the ends. And that's it for the shoulders. Next, let's draw the blades on the arms. Let's start at the elbows and let's draw 2 angles up and out on both sides. Then connect them at the ends. Now inside this section, let's draw 2 small circles. Now underneath, let's draw 2 angles down and then connect them. And then inside this section, let's draw 2 angled stripes. Next, from the top corner, let's draw a curve up. Then let's curve it all the way down towards the wrist and back up. And that's it for the upper body. Next, let's move in and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the tie here and let's draw 2 curves across for the belt. And then 2 lines down inside. Now under the belt, let's draw a line down and curve it up on the right. Now let's add the legs underneath by drawing 2 angles down from the center, and 2 on the outside. And then close off the bottom of each pant leg with a curve. Now before adding the feet, let's finish drawing the bottom of the jacket. From the edge of the jacket, let's curve it back in towards the leg on both sides, and then a curve in the center. Now let's hop down and add the feet. Let's draw 2 curves down. Then from the outside, let's curve it out and bring it down like this. And then lines across the bottom to close it off. And that's it for Titan TV Man. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!